If you're over 50 and looking for ways to make some extra money, ease into early retirement, or just make life a little easier, this video is for you. Today, I'm going to show you how to get started with some of the most popular freelancing platforms like Fiverr, Upwork, and TaskRabbit. Whether you're interested in offering your skills online or doing local tasks, there's an opportunity for everyone to earn passive income and work at your own pace. The best part? These platforms allow you to turn your life experience into real money without the physical demands of labor-intensive jobs. Ready to dive in? Let's get started. Let's start by breaking down what these platforms do. Fiverr and Upwork are global freelancing platforms where you can offer online services like writing, graphic design, consulting, and much more. TaskRabbit, on the other hand, focuses on local tasks like handyman work, cleaning, furniture assembly, and even running errands. Whether you're tech-savvy or prefer hands-on work, these platforms give you the flexibility to choose what works best for you. The great thing about Fiverr and Upwork is that they allow you to build a global clientele. You don't have to worry about commuting. You can work from home in your own time. Let's start with Fiverr. It's a great platform for offering digital services, even if you're new to freelancing. The first step is creating a seller account. Once you're signed up, you'll want to create a gig, which is essentially the service you're offering. When creating your gig, make sure you're clear about what you're offering. Use simple language that describes your skills, and add relevant keywords so potential clients can find you easily. Don't worry if you're new to this. You can always start with smaller services and increase your rates as you gain experience and good reviews. Next, let's move on to Upwork. This platform is a bit more involved, but offers fantastic opportunities for experienced professionals and beginners alike. To get started, you'll need to create a detailed profile, highlighting your skills, past experience, and what you can offer to clients. One tip: when building your Upwork profile, focus on your expertise. If you have years of experience in a particular industry, like accounting, writing, or customer service, showcase that. Clients are often looking for freelancers with experience, and being over 50 means you likely have an advantage in this area. Once your profile is complete, you can start applying for jobs. Be sure to tailor each proposal to the specific job you're applying for. This increases your chances of getting hired. Also, be patient. Getting your first few clients may take some time, but once you've completed a few projects, positive reviews will help boost your credibility and attract more clients. Now, if you prefer to work locally and don't mind doing hands-on tasks, TaskRabbit could be the perfect platform for you. It's a great way to make extra income if you have skills like carpentry, cleaning, or even simple handyman tasks like assembling furniture. To get started on TaskRabbit, you'll need to sign up as a tasker, which is what the platform calls its workers. You'll create a profile, list the services you're willing to offer, and set your hourly rates. You can choose what types of jobs you want to take on, and TaskRabbit connects you with people in your local area who need help. The flexibility of TaskRabbit means you can take on as many or as few tasks as you like, allowing you to balance work with your lifestyle. Plus, it's a great option if you enjoy helping people and doing physical work, but want to avoid the full-time commitment of a traditional job. So now that we've covered how to get started on these platforms, here are a few key tips to help you succeed, whether you're on Fiverr, Upwork, or TaskRabbit. First, start small. Especially on Fiverr and Upwork, offer services at competitive prices when you're just starting out. This will help you build a portfolio and get your first few clients. Once you have positive reviews, you can start charging more. Second, focus on building your reviews. Positive feedback from clients is gold on these platforms. Always do your best work and communicate clearly with your clients. This will help you stand out and get repeat business. Finally, stay consistent. The more active you are on these platforms, the more opportunities you'll find. Keep checking for new jobs, update your profile regularly, and be responsive to inquiries. Consistency is key to building a successful freelancing or task-based business. Freelancing is an amazing opportunity for people over 50. Whether you've retired early, want to supplement your income, or just want more flexibility, platforms like Fiverr, Upwork, and TaskRabbit allow you to work at your own pace, use your life experience, and make money doing something you enjoy. You can balance work with spending time on what matters most, whether that's family, hobbies, or even traveling. Plus, there's no need to worry about the physical demands of a full-time job. You're in control of your workload. So, if you're ready to start earning money on your own terms, take the first step today. Whether it's offering digital services on Fiverr or Upwork, or taking on local tasks with TaskRabbit, there's a world of opportunity waiting for you. You've got the experience, and now it's time to put it to good use. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit the like button, subscribe for more tips on earning income after 50, and drop a comment if you have any questions. I'd love to hear from you and help you along your journey. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.